Hey y'all. So I'm leaving for vacation, and by vacation I mean we're going to a wedding in like 12 hours. So I have all of this yard work that I need to get done, and I need to get done now. So it's the end of August. There's some stuff that's like dying out. I also have some fun stuff for my sitting area that I wanted to show you. So because my day is going to be so hectic and out of control, I was thinking I'll bring you along. So let's go. So basically, I only have a few hours before I have to leave the house, and I'm gonna just do my yard work in the order of importance. So here we go. First things first, this dying, sad little cucumber plant. And yes, I do have a cucumber forming up here, but I'm just gonna have to let that go because this is just no bueno. So this is getting pulled out today, and hopefully I won't get stung by all of the bees in there. Look at this. Ay, ay, ay. So that took a good bit longer than I thought it was going to take, and Daniel's now home with my breakfast. So I'm going to go inside and eat with him and then come back. But look at all these little baby cukes I got, and these little summer strawberries that I found. I'm going to go eat, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished eating, and I came outside to start a little bit more work, but it's drizzling a little bit, and I don't want to be late for my appointment anyway. So the rain is supposed to stop at 3. I'm just going to pause, get my other errands done, and then come back. It's pouring right now. The things I do for plants. Okay, I'm back. It's drizzling still, but not so bad. I finally got a chance to take a second, so let me show you what I got. So here's what I got. I'm really excited actually. So this right here, this beautiful grass, I think it's some type of rush. It is definitely a perennial here in zone 7B. I'm going to be using this in a fall arrangement. If you look, it's got this really cool red orange almost color. Here I have a fountain grass. It is let me get the name for you. It is a cherry sparkler fountain grass. This Pennisetum is not hardy in my zone 9 through 10, but it might make it in the greenhouse. I'm not positive, but I plan to also use that in a fall arrangement. I got this beautiful heuchera from Proven Winners. Dolce cherry truffles. Look at this color. How pretty is that? Seriously, So as I mentioned earlier, I'm leaving for vacation tomorrow for a wedding, and I just want to tidy everything. Just bear with me. So I have the fall caterpillars coming out. They're the moth caterpillars, so I need to spray BT again. Now, hypothetically, I would be doing this on a day where it wasn't raining, but this is my last day to get it done since we are leaving at like 6 a.m. So just gonna cross my fingers that it works. Now I gotta get some neem oil because we're dealing with some black spots still. Okay, let me explain exactly what was going on here. So the caterpillars are making their nests in the tree, right? I'll show you in a second. They're making their nest. Oh, you can see right there. They're making their nest in the tree. And then they're falling down and eating all of my plants. So I just sprayed BT on my maple tree, which I will be moving next year because this tree, this mulberry tree that the moths are making their nest in, it also has black spot. So the leaves are falling down and getting into my other plants. So now I have caterpillars eating my leaves and black spot. The tree is not on my property, so I can't cut it down. So this is just like a nuisance that I deal with. This was never glorious to begin with, but this was, and you can see like damage from caterpillars. You can see, well, maybe I might have combated the black spot already. But look, they're even making a nest right in there. Gross. Okay, so it's time for Sad Sad Garden Chronicles. Look what happened. No, my watermelon. It split open. That's so disappointing. This one is doing just fine. And do you see that? Do you see that dried tendril? Finally. Okay, so I just got my hands on this new really pretty outdoor rug. It's laid out on the porch here just for a second. This green, pretty dark kind of forest green, and then with these really pretty full leaves. It's a pretty big rug, so it can't fit on the porch, though that's kind of like where I would like it. So I'm gonna fit it down in my shade corner, which I feel is the next best spot. But first it's gotta get a little cleaned up. See, weeds, which these holes are supposed to be for drainage in the cement, but this is kind of what ends up happening. And it's just kind of like full of plants and dirt right now. The fall planter that I just planted up. There's a perennial grass, there's cabbage right in there. I I just think it looks really, really pretty, and definitely gives me the fall feels. Hey y'all, so it's a little loud because there's a helicopter above my house right now doing something, but I had to stop my video yesterday because it started pouring, and now it's like 7:15 in the morning and I have about 20 seconds to finish what I was doing, which was planting these peas. So my peas are all planted. I noticed that I had a nice little harvest of peppers. Look how big those are. That made me happy. Okay, y'all, that's literally it for me. That's all I have time for. I'm literally about to dash out of here to the airport as quickly as possible. So, see you in the next one. Like this?
I guess. I've never cut a lemon.
It's just so...
Watch your fingers.
So... Oh, God, no. This is what happened the last time. Remember? Oh, man. Oh, wait, no. Oh, yay! It's red. You hush. I'm excited. Daniel.